Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to disable night theme blur in Telegram using the latest updated settings. If you've noticed that your chats look slightly blurred when using dark mode, this setting is the reason. And turning it off is super simple. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. This is the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. From there, tap on Settings. This will take you to all your account and app customization options. Now go ahead and tap on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Once you're inside Chat Settings, scroll down until you find the Animations option. Tap on it to open more visual customization settings. Under the Power Saving section, look for Effects in Chats and tap on it. This is where Telegram manages different visual effects used across conversations. Here's the key step. Find the option called Night Theme Blur. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Simply tap it to uncheck and disable the blur effect. As soon as you turn it off, go back and you'll notice that your chats appear clearer and sharper in night mode. This can make reading messages easier, especially if you prefer a clean and distraction-free interface. And that's it. Just a few taps, and you've successfully disabled Night Theme Blur in Telegram. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more quick Telegram tips to customize your app exactly the way you like it.